Oh yeah. Look it up. Woo, come on, get up, you junkies. Oh my god, Chloe, like, why are you upset? Oh my god, I so lost my G, and I really want to puff. Oh, you were such a junkie, I know, right? If it's not the drugs, it's the cock I'm into. One or the other. So, like, what are you doing after this? We're going to PhD. Who are you with? Oh, you know, some randoms that have drugs, you know, that's how I roll. I rip everyone. That's why I hang out with these people. I suck their dick and I smoke their puff. Well, actually, it's chop, because they never really give me the good stuff. Oh my god, let's dance, yeah, woo, woo, woo. Oh my god, stash your shit. Here comes a police officer.
Boy.
Excuse me, ladies. You're not doing anything sus, are you?
No, Mr. Police Officer.
Are you sure? Because, you know, you don't look very good. In fact, you look like junkies. Junkie sluts.
Oh, how did you know?
Look, it's just written all over your face. And your dirty box. Okay? Now, I'm sorry, but as much as and it is part of my job, I have to search you. I really don't want to, because you make me sick. Now, and at the end of the day, you know what you need to do? Wait, let me just get something to help you. That's right. Bang, bang. Die, you evil junkie whores. Rah!